Welcome back. In the previous videos, we went over creating a basic design and how to use this drawing tool in order to create a label. But you don't have to be restricted to the tools within Knowledge Forum. You can also use other tools to create content. So for example, I can open up Microsoft Publisher, and in here I can create any type of content I want, or you have a number of different options. So if I want to create, I don't know, let's say an arrow, I can click on that arrow, drag it down on the screen here, and I'll just save this as an image. So I'll click on Save as Picture. I'll call this arrow picture and save it to my computer. Then I will open up the Knowledge Forum view, click on that attachment image on the side, choose File, click on that arrow, and bring it in. And there, now I've got this other object which I can include on my view. And so you don't have to be restricted to Microsoft Publisher. You could use any number of different content creation tools and create images and drop those down onto the view. So I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.